Now the vegetables are ready. I'm going to fry the beef.
What shall I do, Chef?
Put the vegetables in a pan. Not that one. It's dirty. Get a clean one from the shelf.
OK, got it.
Now, add 300 millilitres of sour cream to the vegetables.
Well, there's 600 millilitres in this carton, so I only need to use half of it.
Good! Bring it to the boil in the saucepan.
Right.
Pay attention. Keep it simmering, but don't let it boil. Look! It's bubbling.
Sorry, Chef. I'll turn down the heat.
The sauce is starting to look nice and thick now, so take it off the heat.
Do we need to do anything else?
Yes, you need to add lemon juice and parsley to the sauce. Then it will be perfect.
Where is the lemon squeezer?
In that drawer, next to the grill. And make sure you wash the parsley before you chop it.
Yes, Chef.
Now, we just have to add in the beef and season with salt and pepper. Voila! A perfect beef stroganoff.